Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here. Today I'm doing a layout for Mixed Media Mayhem, and for this week we need to use a Flair, which I have 3 Flair here. I don't know if they'll all make it. Stencil, I've chosen this floral stencil by Uniquely Creative, and paste, and I have some Ranger texture paste here. So that is what I'm using. Let's get on with it. Okay, there's my completed page. I have added the stencil and the paste. Now I did colour the paste. I wanted to bring in more of the beigey bones because I knew I was using this little tag here, and my flares had that beigey bone colour as well. It's a slightly different colour to the flares and the tag, but it actually blends, happy accident, it blends with the more golden colour on the paper, so it doesn't look out of place. And these colours sort of blend, so I'm going to get away with it. And then I just used a lot of ephemera from the collection. It is the, I don't know if I kept the tag. Yes, it is the, what does that say? Vintage Artistry by 49 and Market. That's the collection that I've used. And I've added the washi tape and just all the elements from the cut apart or the pop out sheets. One thing I don't like about the pop out sheets is they leave the little tags, the cardboard tags, and I forgot to cut them off the bottom of the butterflies there. I really don't like that. I really like them when they're already die cut out, so there's smooth edges all around. And the other thing is, I think my crystal drops might have an issue. It shouldn't be too old, it's only a few years old, but they're coming out all sorry, all stringy. So hopefully overnight they will settle and they dry, and I can see them rounding off a bit more now, so that's okay. This one here is, or these ones here, I don't know what happened, they're a bit big, but no one's going to notice, you know. So anyway, that is my Mixed Media Mayhem layout for today, using flares, stencil and paste. There'll be a playlist down below in the description box, so you can see what everyone else has done as well. And if you liked this layout, please give me the thumbs up and hit that like button. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.